Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do Binance Kyc, updated. Start by locating your government ID and ensuring your selfie camera is clean and well lit. Log into your account and open the verification section under Profile Settings, follow on-screen prompts carefully, and upload required documents in common formats like JPG or PNG. Stay patient if review takes time, and check your email for status updates. In this video, I will explain how to do Binance Kyc, updated. Take photos on a neutral background and avoid glare when photographing your ID. Crop images so only the document is visible, and do not edit or obscure any details. For selfies, hold your face level and remove hats or glasses unless required. If you follow these simple habits, uploads are clearer and reviews usually process without avoidable delays. In this video, I will explain how to do Binance Kyc, updated. If a submission fails, review the rejection message and resubmit corrected images promptly. Clear your browser cache or try the mobile app if uploads hang, and confirm file size and format meet requirements. Keep screenshots of any error messages and note timestamps to help support. Staying organized speeds resolution and reduces frustration during verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.